find all your affiliate marketing answers in these simple tips and tricks. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online, but it can also be very competitive with lots of people trying to market and sell identical products and services. This video contains a numbers of tips to expand your knowledge of affiliate marketing and help you to optimize profitable marketing techniques. If you are trying to make some extra money online and are thinking about doing affiliate marketing, you might want to pay someone else to set up a website for you. There are a variety of companies that guarantee a payout if you go through them to set up your affiliate advertising venture. As an affiliate marketer, your reputation is directly linked to the reputation of the company whose products you are promoting. This means that you need to choose your company wisely based on more than just the products offered. You need to check on the company's reputation to make sure they're viewed favorably. Only fair affiliate companies, ones with generous profit sharing, deserve your business. Avoid companies that give commissions below about 20%. Higher commissions will result in repeat business from you, and the high-quality affiliate companies are aware of this. To assure your affiliating marketing is effective, check your results regularly. Pay attention to when and why you saw better or worse results for your link. If a link is getting good click-through, but not resulting in sales, you may want to do more to promote the product. If a link isn't getting clicked, try changing the placement of the link. To make the most money on your affiliate marketing program, you should work with companies that offer a large selection of tools to help you build your business. Many companies have a number of different banners and text ads to pick from so that you can find ones that are more tailored to your website. If you are considering hiring an internet marketing company to help you promote your affiliate marketing product, be sure to read the fine print carefully. Many hook you into their service with a low introductory price. After you have given them your credit card or banking information, you may find high charges on your account after your introductory period is over. By implementing some of the affiliate marketing methods mentioned above and utilizing the advice presented in this video, you should be able to develop some killer affiliate marketing campaigns. Subsequently, you will be well on your way to succeeding in the affiliate marketing field and your monthly income will grow. Student loan.